In last week's lesson, I asked you guys to go around your house and find examples of each of the kinds of forms. This week, you're going to learn how to draw simple forms. Last week, we learned the difference between forms and shapes. Forms are three-dimensional objects. Shapes are two-dimensional objects. A square is a shape. A cube is 3D, so it is a form. A square can be measured in two ways. It has height and width. It is two-dimensional. A cube can be measured three ways: height, width, and depth. It has three dimensions. It's three-dimensional. Feel free to grab a ruler and draw along with the video. Let's start with a cube. To draw a cube, start by drawing a square. Then, add three parallel lines that look the same, coming from three of the corners of the cube. Then, connect those lines with lines that are parallel to the sides of your square. So you draw a square, then three lines that are parallel, and then you connect them. Parallel lines are lines that go on and on and on, but don't touch. They look the same as each other. That line and that line are parallel. All three of those lines are parallel. The sides of the boxes also have parallel lines. Next, let's draw a rectangular prism. A rectangular prism is very similar to a cube, except you start with a rectangle instead of a square. Then you add three parallel lines on three corners of the rectangle, and then make the sides of the box parallel. Rectangle, three parallel lines, parallel sides. Next, let's draw a cylinder. To make a cylinder, start with an oval, then draw the sides, and then draw a curved line at the bottom that matches the bottom of the oval. If you draw the bottom flat, it doesn't look quite round like a cylinder. This looks good enough to drink. Next, let's draw a cone. To draw a cone, you start by drawing a triangle. Then you just fit an oval in the top part of the triangle. You can also make a cone upside down by just making a triangle with a curved line. I think it looks like a clown's hat. Now let's draw a pyramid. There are a couple of different ways to draw pyramids. You can draw a three-sided pyramid, or a simple pyramid by drawing a triangle with the slanted or diagonal line sticking out of one side. You can also draw a flat-topped pyramid. Remember, when I do learning videos and you're drawing along, you can pause the video and catch up. Don't forget, draw an example of each type of form, and then send me your work in Google Classroom. By clicking Add or Create in the assignment under Your Work. If you just click Mark as Done, I can't see any of the art you made. You have to add the work to the assignment.